Medical bills can add up quickly. Good evening. I'm Josh Rowe.
And I'm Latricia Thomas. At an emergency that requires a helicopter ride to the hospital by Life Force, and those bills can stack up even higher. But now, City of Cleveland residents won't have to pay those bills. News Channel 9's Alana LaFleur explains.
Josh, Latricia, last night the Cleveland City Council approved an Air Medcare Network membership. So now if a city resident needs to be flown by Life Force, that flight will be paid for by the city.
A small city, but Cleveland government officials say they're always thinking of ways to make it a better place to live.
We try to do things over and above regular things for our citizens.
Mayor Tom Rowland says with an Air Medcare Network membership and Life Force rides paid for by the city, Cleveland will attract more people.
So many times I understand that insurance companies would say when you're filing the claim that flight was not medically necessary, and of course the patient doesn't make that choice usually.
The city will pay $132,000 a year. For insured residents, the city will pick up the whole bill. Life Force says flights for the uninsured will be significantly reduced to a Medicare allowable rate.
This not only includes to the Level 1 Trauma Center at Erlanger, but to the Burn Center in Augusta, Georgia.
City residents like Logan Fox say they support the new program.
Not everybody around here has health insurance and can afford things like that, and I mean, you know, I feel like a person's life should have more value than whether or not they can afford, you know, to pay for the medical help or not. So I think it's actually a really great idea.
The program takes effect immediately, but it won't benefit people who are already paying Life Force bills out of pocket. Fox says he hopes anyone not in favor of the new plan will see it his way.
People that have the money to pay for things feel like people that don't have the money to pay for them shouldn't get them for free. But I mean, I just feel like, man, it's somebody's life. You know what I'm saying? What if it's your child?
We asked Life Force how much a typical ride costs. The representative told us that all depends on the distance. The mayor tells us Air Medcare will hold information sessions this week about the new program. Latricia.
Alana, thank you. Other areas that have memberships for residents include Pikeville, Jasper, and 3 other cities in Marion County.
Using medical helicopters and small airplanes for emergencies is done a lot in the U.S. A study in 2009 found nearly 550,000 patients in the U.S. are flown to a hospital for emergencies. According to the Association of Air Medical Services, nearly 1,200 aircraft operate from more than 830 bases across the country. Fees usually range from $12,000 to $25,000 per flight.